Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unboxing for you from a company that is brand new to me. Thank you to Sevengreat for reaching out to me and offering me some products to review. Let's have a look and see what I got. So this is my package. Let's get out the first thing. So first thing we get is a lovely big cross stitch. I thought I'd go for something a bit bigger this time than I have previously, but also keeping it quite simple so it still feels like it's quite achievable in terms of finishing it. So this comes very nicely packaged. All of the information that you need is on the back and is in English. This one is called Happy Family and it is 35 by 64 centimetres and it is a 14 count. So we've got, oh goodness, this is all of our information. So this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. Having a place to go is home. Having someone to love is family. Having both is a blessing. I thought it was really nice. So here we've got our, yeah, we've got each of our pages showing how it's going to be put together. And then just, here we have our printed cross stitch. So we can see we're not going to have to do any of this background. Well, the background is going to be white. And then fairly straightforward, we've got our black lettering, we've got our hearts which are going to be in red, and then as we come down to the bottom we've got this slightly more intricate bit here with different colours. We've got DMC on here so you can see what threads you're going to need, and we've got our threads here. They are carded and numbered. Obviously we've got quite a lot of number 7, which is going to, oh, number 7, there isn't a number 7, that must be extra black, is that? Yeah, I think they've just put extra black there, that's confusing me. So we've got, yeah, 1, 2, fair bit of red, green, blue, and then the extra black, and we've got 2 needles there. So yeah, that must just be extra because there's only 6 colours. But yeah, I thought that was really, really sweet. It was $9.88, which I was quite happy with. I think that's a fair price for this. I think it will make a lovely, my plan is to frame it for the entranceway to our house. So that is what I was thinking with that one. And yeah, I think the quality seems good. The material that we're going to be cross stitching on seems quite soft, which is nice. And obviously, as with what we would want from these kits, is that they come with everything so you can just crack on and get started. So yeah, I think the only thing you might want to add to this, if this was your first time, is you may want to get yourself a needle threader. I know I wouldn't be without mine. So yeah, and on the back it's even got descriptions for you of different stitches that you might use. It's got all of the information there. So okay, pleased with that. Let's see what's next. Another little cross stitch. This one is, I've had this brand before. My Totoro cross stitch was from this company and I was very happy with that. So I have high hopes for this. I love the packaging for these ones. It's really useful that you can just keep everything together while you're working on it. So we've got, this is our little design, 2 little kitty cats. We've got our instructions, we've got our printed canvas there. It always looks a bit strange because of the colours that they choose. But it's a teeny tiny one, this one. It is only 25 by 20. So we get one needle this time, and we get our carded floss. Again, we've got DMC on here. Everything's looking lovely. Yeah, sorry, I'm confusing myself now looking at the colours as to what's going to be what. So, yeah, obviously this blue cat is going to be done in the grey. This cat is going to be in the white, and then red for the heart. Pinky for the shadows. Peachy for the paws. So, yeah, should all be nice and straightforward. It's a 11 count one, this one. This was bargain at $3.64. Yeah, I really like this. It's interesting that this, the material that Aida for this one is more of a cream colour. Whether that's been chosen to make the white cat stand out more, I'm not sure, but I'm fine with it. It's completely fine. And yeah, one of the things that I really like how compact these are, that you can, they store really easily, and everything is all together in one place. You don't have to worry about separate storage. Okay, and last item. I don't actually remember. Ah, yes. A needle minder. So if you are a diamond painter, you'll be probably familiar with the idea of a cover minder. Needle minders are much the same, but they mind your needles. So let's get this one out. Yeah, so in this case, we've got a little Alice in Wonderland type image. I thought she was very cute. It's on like an acrylic, and then we've got the double flat magnet, so we would be able to, let's just, as an example, so same way as you would with a diamond painting, we're going to use the magnet to fix it to our work, and then yeah, we're sewing, so, and then we're finished, or we want to take a break, just pop your needle down. It's not going to go anywhere, and it's kept safe. You could even keep, a couple of needles there if you wanted to. The magnet is strong enough to hold on to them. So yeah, I think these are great. Obviously, it's just nice to add a little bit of personality to your work, just something little that's going to make you happy while you are working on your piece. Obviously, if you are also a diamond painter, these can work as cover minders as well, so they are double duty. And yeah, that is always something that we look for, something that we can use for a craft and then use for a different craft at the same time. The cover minder was $3.13, sorry, the needle minder, and yeah, I'm happy with that. It's very cute, and I've not seen one like this before. So yeah, happy with that. So altogether, I got the two, the large and the small printed cross stitch and my little cover minder, and I am most happy with that. So I would recommend that you go and check out Sevengreat yourself. I have not seen many people sharing items from them, but I highly recommend giving them a look. There is a little bit of something for everyone. They have been kind enough to give me a discount code that will get you 6% off your order. I will pop that on the screen for you right now so that you can use that should you wish, and links for these products and the main store will of course be in the description for this video. So short and sweet from me today. Thank you very much for joining me for this unboxing. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments which was your favourite item that I have unboxed today, and also let me know if you have heard of Sevengreat, if you've shopped with them, and if you're intending to shop with them in the future. Please do remember, it really helps the channel to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. A huge thanks as always to my patrons. Without you, none of this would be possible. So that is all from me. Until next time, stay crafty.